don't mind the hair. We are hiking kinda in Pacifica. Super windy everywhere, so just found a place that's not too windy, and here we are. Decent day. Not the best day in Pacifica. It was not
It's a typical day.
It's a typical day in Pacifica. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Hit subscribe, like, all the above. It's gonna be right here. No, it won't, but it might. You have any words for the peeps?
Nope.
That's my girl. Peace. What do we got here?
Looks like we have some blueberries and some raspberries,
I almost fell.
but I would not trust them. They're probably poisonous.
You heard that here first from
Dina G. At Dina Alina IG.
What's up? We finished. It's not so windy here, so thought I'd record a goodbye video. Dina's frantically looking for the hand sanitizer because quarantine.
Because 2020 is the norm.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was good. I haven't made it yet, so we'll see. Stay tuned for what's next. Peace.